похерачим эти баночки. Лучше под край. Сука, развлекуха, а? Так. Боже, у меня уже не осталось волос. Вот такие дела.
You ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Nice and firm. Left hand pressure. Yes, good. Yes, good. Holster. Look at that. 530, that's 573.
Hey.
Fuck good. Hey, what's up?
Shooter ready? Stand by. Nice. 519.
519.
¡Ve un avión!
Hemos asegurado el sector.
¡Un avión! Adelante.
Burn down on the owl. Hit it. Six-figure talent.
Ready?
Yep. Sweet. The gun's too hot to touch.
Hot.
Light still works though.
Am I hitting?
And the music taught me how to do it, how to build a crew, and how to get it moving. Supply and demand came and held my hand. Should've seen me back then, didn't even have a plan. Only had a pistol cause they had a pistol. Cock that hammer and blow them whistles. I only had a handful of minutes, so if we gon' talk, then we only talk business. Now tell me what you want from me. I got a few females, you need some company, because y'all don't be where those junkies be. But hold up now, you gon' pull your guns on me? Nah man, I'm a big kid with big dreams. You gon' treat me like you know that I'm only 16? Well fuck it, right, shut my eyes tight. Only squeezed out a couple and I only got double life. Big kid, where did you go? We made you grow up quick, showed you the world, doing up so big.
What the actual fuck?
What is that?
I am so fucking confused. Bro, mid-highway. This nigga riding on the hood like it's no big deal. And there's a bitch inside, bro. And I think they're talking to each other. Bro, she's definitely pissed off at him or something. This is fucking crazy. Holy
God.
Bro, mid 95, bro. Most dangerous highway on the fucking planet. And this nigga riding, bro. What the actual fuck? I am dumb weak.
Yeah, we made the case.
Hey, we're doing you a polymer 80 right now.
I need one.
I know, I heard about the P80.
P80 ones.
I think it was a mission successful, man.
I agree.
All I gotta say is that shit's sick. I saw when they were making it, and I was like,
in 1994, so because of that they're usually a little hard to find, and when you do place, and then you wind up the drum about 5 to 6 times.
You still think of yourself Chinese, or do you ever think of yourself as North American?
You know what I want to think of myself? As a human being. Because, I mean, I don't want it to sound like, you know, as Confucius say, but under the sky, under the heaven, man, there is but one family. It just so happened, man, that people are different.
Just 2 more.
1471.
Ho individuato un aereo nemico! Mettiamoci in movimento!
You have no idea what kind of hell I can bring you!
Oh, all right, enough, you broken record, okay? I've been down here 2 weeks, man, what do you want?
It puts the lotion on its skin. Now!
Well, say it, don't spray it, brother, dang. I need a towel now.
Does what it's told!
There, look, I'm putting the lotion on the skin. I'm rubbing it in.
It rubs the lotion on its skin. It does this whenever it's told.
Mister, my family will pay cash. Whatever ransom you're asking for, they'll pay it.
It rubs the lotion on its skin, or else it gets the hose again.
Yes, you will, precious. You will get the hose.
Put the fucking lotion in the basket!
There you go.
Oh my gosh! Dude, that, oh my gosh! Dude, I watched it eat it! Oh my gosh, man, that's a